Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change tips for your headphones QCY T9S. So you have to start by gently pull the current ear tip or the earbud right here and on the second one. Here we go. Now select a new ear tip size. Let's say that's okay for me. And now align the new ear tip with the earbud nozzle. Here we go with the first one. And with the second one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.